collapse of the scaffolding was definitely an accident, and accidents happen without notice. Okay, and it was precisely for this reason that the Honorable Minister for PWD, Sri Sudin Daulekar, when some people requested that the road along the route of the bridge should be kept open for the public, that it can and the work can go on simultaneously, he said no, because you cannot expose people to risk. Okay, now what the government had requested was that an additional route could be provided, and for that I think the farmers were requested to give their land on lease and on payment. But under the advice of many, the farmers refused, and now the government has decided that they will not trouble the farmers. However, diversion has to happen. There are certain parts along the route of the bridge where you cannot have people moving along the route, especially on the existing roads, and therefore there has to be a diversion. Since what the government was planning at first, banking on the land from the farmers is not available, now the government has decided on another diversion which is parallel to the existing Konkan railway bridge. Okay, I think all necessary permissions are already obtained. Okay, and I think the file has already been passed by the Honorable Chief Minister Sri Manohar Parrikar. It is now gone for financial approval. Once that is done, the work will be tendered and the work will start. Okay. Now, why is the government taking this trouble of providing a diversion? Precisely because the government does not want to expose people to any risk to their lives. I think we have to be so grateful to God that those 4 injured workers, their casualties were not serious, and I'm given to understand that they are already released from the Goa Medical College, and I really am very, very happy to know that.
जावंक शकता, कितें घडटा घडूंक शकता,
जावपाक शकता, हातूंत दुबावूच ना. कित्याक हाजे पयलीं आमी तेंच सांगताले की जे तुमी आतां पळय करतात तातूंत लोकांची सेफ्टी कितें काय, कित्याक हे स्कॅफोल्डिंग जी पळय ती उबी करतात न्ही, ती ट्युब्युलर स्कॅफोल्डिंग, तांकां सकयल प्लेट जावं माउंटींग अशें कांय ना, म्हणजे जे ताका घट धरून रावपाक शकता. आनी हायटूय चड आशिल्ल्या कारणान कित्याक ते केन्नाय मातसो करून खंयच्यानी जर अनबॅलन्स जावपाक जर एक झटको बसलो जाल्यार डेफिनेटली ते कॉलेप्स जातले. टॅक्निकली म्हाका दिसना ते तांकां म्हणजे ते फिट आसा. आनी जेन्ना अशें ओपन जाता ट्राफीक चालू आसा तांच्यांनी सेफ्टी मेजर म्हणून ताका आनी कितेंय तरी एक्चुली सेफ्टी कितेंय तरी हें दिवपा जाय आशिल्लें, तें तांच्यांनी कांयच